Malthus was a famous mathematician. Malthus take math program when he go to the university. He also able to speak in 5 language. Malthus was born in 1766 from a wealthy family. And just FYI, in that time, there was a rumor who stated that for the notion that many children have a lot of fortune. And that's why Malthus bring up and stated that the rumor are no longer true. So based on that rumor, Malthus write down the longest title about his book. The title is an essay on the principle of population. Wait, sir. So Malthus is an economist? Or maybe he is a mathematician? Or demographer? So, Malthus is modern history and political and economic lecture in the new university located in British colony, EIC College in Haileybury, which is used to recruit prospective EIC workers. So, Malthus being famous because of his theory which say that populations tend to grow like geometric series of measurements, x 124, 816. To the natural resources, which is grow like arithmetic series of measurements, x 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get an imagination yet? If you have a rice, but you don't have anybody to share it. Let's just say if you are the last people in this world, after that you must share with other people. If you realizes that you are not alone anymore, then you must share your rice with another people, then also a people. You share again your rice with another people. Can you imagine that? How much rice that now you just share it to your friend or another people, it's going more fewer, right? In the long run, this will lead to crisis, suffering and crime, a normal thing, given that the amount of food that is getting less and less will cause people to instinctively look for other sources of food, even if in a way that is a little out of the norm. Hence, according to Malthus, the world is condemned to a life of insurmountable hardships including suffering, hunger and crime. In addition to this theory, there are also several influences of Malthus described in Mark Scouson's book. Among them are 1. Malthus is considered the founder of demography and population studies. Britain conducted its first census in 1811 because of Malthus' study. 2. He is considered a social engineer who advocated population control and limits to economic growth. 3. His essay that predicted emerging poverty, suffering, death, rolls, and environmental degradation as a result of population taking of natural resources. For he inspired Darwin's theory of evolution, which in this theory reveals that the evolution of living things occurs due to competition for food, as revealed in Malthus' theory where the addition of living things is like a geometric sequence, while the addition of food is like arithmetic. 5. Influenced J. M. Keynes' macroeconomic theory, based on the life cycle of businesses being caused by changes in effective demand by consumers and investors. Malthus died in 1834 in December at the Abbey Cemetery. He died of a heart attack. During his lifetime, Malthus was widely labeled as the maker of the science of economics into gloom because of the uproar of the thesis he made. Many liberals and conservatives considered that Malthus' book was considered unreligious because it questioned the mercy of the Creator. And social reformers accused Malthus of not defending the poor. In the second edition of his book, Malthus wrote that it was possible to control population by delaying marriage. During his lifetime, Malthus also had many discussions with his friend David Ricardo,